Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax Venice. This is one of our new arrivals. This is the brand new for 2021. This is our 240 Vantage. This actually replaced the 230 Vantage, which was one of our best sellers. So there's some really neat features on the boat we'll kind of point out. This boat's very well equipped, but in the bow area, we're going to get to this in a little bit. This one has the windlass with the stainless steel anchor. We have a nice flash plate right there of stainless steel, a little sharper entry bow. A little bit more room in the bow area, which is very nice. Heavy duty hardtop right here. Actually angled down a little bit with the shear line. Very sporty boat. This one also has your traditional cockpit and bow cover. This particular one's powered with your big 300 right here. Horsepower to weight ratio is excellent. This also has your white color as far as the paint's concerned, a little bit easier to maintain. So come on inside here, we'll point out some of the cool features on it. Ladder's a little bit easier to get up and down from. For those of you who do like to fish, this is much better right here for your recirculating bait well on the stern. This seat's a little bit easier to work right here for aft seating. And you actually have a nice little handle right there. So what that does, it gives you more room inside here. And this is very similar to the 230 Vantage. So this folds up right here, makes into a beautiful lounger. And you can have this in 4 or 5 different positions. Full bolsters all the way around, very comfortable. And as you can see, heavy duty here all the way around for this hardtop. It's really awesome. On our port side, fully enclosed head. This is going to be your vacuum flush head. This has dockside discharge as well as overboard discharge. They've done a good job with the stereo system too. The JL speakers are now angled towards the passengers, so you'll get a little bit better sound out of this. Here on the dash, there's plenty of room for electronics. This one has your fusion stereo, your vessel view, tilt steering right here, and very nice switches right here for like your fish box, your wash down, all your courtesy lights. And a lot of people do like this. If you get caught like in a little bit of weather or something, you can close the bow off right here and give you a little bit more protection. One of the cool features, what I really like about the boat, the bow is a little deeper on this, a little bit more room, but you can have a windlass and a bow ladder at the same time. So the same option you have on the 28, but it's now on the 23. So we're very excited about the boat. These are super popular, sportier lines, lots of improvements for 2021 in the new 240 Vantage. So if you'd like some additional information, feel free to give us a call. Again, it's Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax Venice, and the number here at MarineMax Venice is 941-485-3388. Thanks for taking the time. We hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.